Hello, my name is Tina. How to grow your own rainbow using markers and paper towel. Color along both ends of the paper towel and leave the middle portion blank. Take 2 cups of water. Immerse the colored portions of the paper towel into the water. Rainbow means different things to different people. To many, it symbolizes social equality and individuality, pride. To me, rainbow symbolizes beauty, hope, and good luck. It teaches us to embrace our own differences and the differences of those around us. When we unite, we can easily create something beautiful out of nothing, just like the colors here that has now formed into a beautiful rainbow. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to watch this video on how to make magical marker dance. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching. Be well.